Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Humana insurance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel Humana insurance, begin by gathering your policy information. Locate your member ID and policy number, as these details will be needed throughout the process. Review your policy details carefully to understand any potential cancellation fees or consequences. Determine whether you want to cancel your policy immediately or at the end of your billing cycle. Visit the official Humana website for their contact information. You can also find their customer service number in your policy documents. Call Humana's customer service during their business hours for assistance. When connected, inform the representative that you want to cancel your insurance. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Clearly state your reason for cancellation, as this may help in resolving any issues. Request confirmation of your cancellation, including any final details or remaining obligations. After the call, expect to receive a confirmation email or letter regarding your cancellation. If you prefer, you can also cancel your policy through the Humana member portal. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the billing or policy management section of the portal. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation process online. Complete any required forms or confirmations. Once you've submitted your cancellation request, look for a confirmation notification. Finally, keep all documentation related to your cancellation for future reference. This will ensure you have proof in case of any discrepancies. Follow these steps carefully to effectively cancel your Humana insurance policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.